Hey, what's going on, guys? Foodless is back. Today we're making some delicious homemade teriyaki wings. We're gonna put this little piece of equipment to the test. Stick around, I'll show you how. This is the Aukey Home Alpha Elite Air Fryer Oven. I've been using this air fryer for a while now, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. It has a beautiful, sleek design, and there's a couple of functions that I really like about it. It has some preset operations that make it really functional, and each program has a suggested cooking time and temperature, but you can always change that if you like. You can also manually adjust your temperature controls and your time control. And it has a stylish push button open and close feature. It also comes with a sheet plate and a basket, and they're both completely non-stick. The basket has these cool touch handles, so you can easily remove it while it's hot. I've used it quite a few times now, and I'm really impressed with the cooking quality. I've made buttermilk fried chicken, meatballs, we did some bacon wrapped shrimp, and I was real happy with the way it all turned out. The bacon got nice and crisp, and the shrimp stayed moist inside, and we got a nice crunchy outside to that buttermilk fried chicken. The other very cool feature is this viewing window, so you can watch your food as it cooks. And the fact that you can bake a cake in this is pretty cool too. If you're looking for a new air fryer, I would recommend it. It's just so easy. I'll put a link to this product in the video description, and they've also sent me a 40% off promo code that you can use. I'll put that in the description as well. Now let's make our favorite teriyaki chicken wings and see how they turn out.